Meet the Duet, the hair towel with a brand new twist. Literally, it's a double-sided hair wrap that preps your wet hair for the best styling results and then protects and preserves your style longer. The plush, soft microfiber side absorbs water much quicker than heavy cotton towels without roughing up your strands, so you get faster drying, less frizz, and healthier hair. On the flip side, the silky satin fabric helps keep your style smooth, protects against breakage, and locks in the moisture. Both textiles minimize friction to help eliminate frizz, split ends, and breakage. Once you're out of the shower, start by gently towel blotting with the microfiber side to remove excess water. This gives you the perfect dampness for volume. Next, mist on your Calista Vitality Spray for strength, heat protection, and support. Use your Calista smoothie to detangle and prepare the hair for styling. Now go in with your styling product. Here I start with Calista Gloss, lifting at the roots as you apply to build that lift right where you want it. With the microfiber side on the inside, take the larger end and place it around your hairline in the nape area. Be sure to get all of your hair inside of the Duet. Twist the towel up, secure it with the button in the back, and let the microfiber absorb just the right amount of moisture while holding the hair up to encourage root lift. When the hair is wet, I like to leave on at least 5 minutes to get all the excess wet out. But if you leave it in your hair for longer, no problem. It'll take you to that right dampness to style your hair properly. When you take it off, your roots already have that boosted volume, and your hair is perfectly prepped for a blowout or an air dry. On curly hair, start by adding your leave-in curl cream on very wet hair. Let your curls naturally fall and form their pattern as you bend forward. You want the plush microfiber side. This is what's going to soak up the extra water without breaking your curl pattern. Gently place your curls into the Duet so they fold into their natural shape. Twist the end and secure it with the button. The microfiber absorbs moisture fast but stays gentle, so you get volume and definition without frizz. Just enough time for the towel to take out the excess water while keeping the curls intact. Now this is the game changer. The satin side is designed for dry hair protection, keeping your style smooth while preventing frizz and breakage. Flip to the satin side, place the larger end around the nape of your hair, and then twist and secure the button in the back. The satin keeps your hair tucked away and protected while you wash your face, take a shower, no wet flyaways, no frizz. For bedtime, wrap your dry hair with the satin side to reduce friction against your pillowcase. This helps prevent frizz, tangles, and split ends, especially great for curls, coils, dry, or color-treated hair. Anytime you want to keep your blowout, your smooth look, or your curls defined, simply wrap your hair in the satin side. It shields your strands from friction and humidity while maintaining shine and shape.